Hello, this video provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of July 2022. Despite what many real estate news headlines are telling you right now, we're actually experiencing a balanced market for the first time since the pandemic began. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to July of last year. For Guelph, median sales price was $710,000, which was up by 4.4%. The average sale price per square foot was $414, which was down by 6.3%. The total number of listings was 306, up by 19.5%, and the total number of sales was 153, down by 35.2%. For the Tri-City and Kitchener, median sales price was $632,500, which was down by 4.3%. In Waterloo, the median sales price was $585,000, down by 15.2%, and in Cambridge it was $640,000, down by 11.3%. Of the four cities just mentioned, Guelph is the only one that is still showing year-over-year price increases. However, I do expect that this will be the last month of price growth for Guelph for the time being. With the number of new listings trending upward and the number of sales on the decline, prices will most certainly continue to trend downward for the time being. The reality is that the current market slowdown is relatively normal for this time of year throughout the summer months. It'll be interesting to see if September brings buyers back and reignites the market. If so, it's my hope that this brings pricing stability and a balanced market that can easily be navigated for both buyers and sellers. If you're considering a move in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to keep you informed about market conditions, market changes, and help you achieve your real estate goals. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy the rest of your summer.